Well, I'm in Digbeth in Birmingham, United Kingdom, and there's a bit of graffiti around here. We're in an arty area, and I've just been to see the Sistine Chapel pictures. This is very, very different, but it's still art. And there's something saying stay in school. Somebody's put a line through school. There's a purple dice head over there. How they got right up there? They've got to have ladders and stuff to get right up the top, I think. And here's a map of the area. An oldie worldy pub. At the Ruin, it's called. And as you can see, there's lots and lots of artwork over here. He's going backwards and forwards in front of it. Some incredible paintings. Look at that. Yeah, this is the arty area, so I think we'll go in underneath this big railway arch. If you're interested, I would get to Birmingham and have a look at the Sistine Chapel exhibition. It is absolutely fantastic. I've enjoyed it greatly, but I haven't said, but thank you for watching, liking and sharing and ringing the bell. A special thank you to all those who have subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed and you would sort of like to make an old man happy, well, why not give it a go? Look at that in there.
It looks quite abstract when you stand here. Anyway, what's your name?
Dave, what was yours?
Linda.
Linda, you could be famous. Do you mind being on a film?
Linda Carter, my name.
Linda, do you mind being on film? Oh, well, this is Linda who I met, and we keep bumping into each other. We've been round the Sistine Chapel. Where are you from, Linda?
Birmingham, as you can
Oh, you
tell
are?
by my accent.
Oh, I should do. But where do you think I'm from?
London.
I know it sounds London. I do a bit of London, but I'm not. I should be talking like that. I come from Suffolk. But because I was a teacher, nobody understood what I was going on about. So I had to modify. But it turned out that I worked with several Londoners.
Well, I worked in prison.
Oh, my word.
I was teaching art and design in...
Oh, lovely. Oh, no wonder you appreciate all this.
Oh, gosh, yeah. Worked with restorative justice as well. So we did lots of projects out in the community with the prisoners. It's fabulous. I only finished because of arthritis. So
Oh,
I got
no.
really crippled up with stuff at the time.
I've started with a little bit of it in my hands, but never mind.
Oh, it's lovely to have
I'll
met you.
survive.
Dave.
Yeah, nice to
take
meet you
care.
as well.
All right. Bye.
Bye. Oh, what I should say, let me just pause there. Well, there goes Linda, who, as I said, I've met a few times. She's worked with the prison service and with the ex-prisoners in the community doing art and design. So we'll go in here now. This is the Custard Factory, I believe. And we'll go into the Custard Factory and see what we can see. Oh my word, look at this. Incredible. Lots of colour everywhere. Look at that painting at the black girl over there. Isn't that fabulous? Oh my word. Look at that. Wow. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. now we're going over the river. I don't think I've been through here before.
Sorry, I didn't mean to ruin your shop.
No, don't worry. No one died. There's a river, and this goes right under the main road that we saw the works earlier. And good gracious, people have even been down there in the water, look, painting the walls. Goes on forever. Custard Factory that way. Absolutely loads and loads of paintings on the walls everywhere. It's incredible, even on the bins, look. You've got a monkey in there, look. Oh, that's good. Look at that. This is, I'm loving this. I don't know what you think. It's not the Sistine Chapel, but it is absolutely fabulous. Look at that. Oh, I don't know where we go. Whoa. I haven't been to the Custard Factory for a while, and this is superb. Loving it. Look at all this. Custard Factory. Industrious individual in it together. Wow, look at that. Oh, there's me and Irene, look, there's a photo. There's a photo of us. Look at that. Well, that's another good one over there. Look at that.